NC 2 spindles gun drilling machine. This machine is to be used for micro drilling diameters from 3 mm to 32 mm. Advantages: both tool and workpiece rotate at the same time to ensure that the concentricity is within 0.05 mm. Two models are available with 500 mm and 1000 mm maximum hole depths. The RPM is adjustable from 400 to 6000 RPM. This machine is equipped with a high pressure pump, chip conveyor, paper filter separator, cooler and fluid level and pressure detectors to ensure the machining quality as well as the service life of the tool. Different models with single, double, triple, quadruple spindles are available on customers' demand. NC 2 spindles gun drilling machine.